Hi everyone, this is your Sifu at Tree Nature and Tina Dragon Taoism channel. Today we are talking about body cleansing magic, 净身. It's not about your physical body, it's your energy body. Wherever you go, your energy body goes with you. If you're too close to someone, their energy body and your energy body will overlap, and their energy will go onto your energy body. When the energy body is being polluted by all these external sources, you will be affected internally. That means you start to think weird, you feel weird, it affects your emotions and your feelings inside, and you get like grumpy, you cannot work, you get angry easily, and so on. So it is very, very important to cleanse your body after you get home from work, or if you're about to start work, you want to like clean up yourself so that you're ready to go. And most importantly, avoid toxicating people around you. You get that bad stuff and bring it home. Your pet, your children, your husband or wife, all get that from you. So clean up right away when you get home. Okay, this is for my disciples and disciples to be, especially the newbies. So here you go. You have one hard spell when you get initiated, which is free. You can go to our website, teen-dragon.com, to get initiated for free, and now you can do this magic. If you're not yet initiated, go do it. You can also get ordained as well. So hold this hand sign. Okay, just like that. Here's empty. Combine like this. Okay, when you look down here, it's like there's a heart. Okay, this is the hand sign we use for our main god that connects with the Hospital Zero, 三羅祖師. You will need the Daily Rite book, which is on our website, for this spell, for body cleansing spell, 淨身咒. Okay, so you hold this hand sign, close your eyes, and then you do heart spell 0, stomp left foot, and shake. Okay, look at my hand, shake. Okay, like this. So after you shake, then you recite the spell. 星光显现象，给人清清清换为周黑呀就，咱们心花心光里头佛不一家不将的，好心花心清就给有的灵。Okay, after that you stomp the right foot, and then what you do is you cross, okay, and then go like that. Right, left hand outside, one time. Okay, now lift up the heel of your right foot, stomp. Okay, here you will take a deep breath, stomp, and then go, ha, push out, sideways, and wipe down the energy body outside, like this, all the way. And then come back to the center. There we go. Okay, so again, you snap. Hey, take a deep breath. Stomp, and then up, and then sideways, ha, all the way, and then, okay, just like that. That way, you will clean up the energy body. When you're doing it, you should imagine here, there's a ball shape, okay, ball shape energy body. So when you're doing this, you're wiping that energy all over, okay? And one more secret, when you're doing this, you do like heart spell 0, stomp left foot, right? And then when you say the spell, okay, 星光显现象，给人清清, and then when you sing that spell, visualize here, become like a orange color flame, okay? And then you go, keep yodeling, stomp the right foot, and then like this, okay? Now, when you inhale like that, the flame groups in and get intense. And then you lift up the heel of the right foot, stomp, and then push that flame up like a pillar of flame, flame. Okay, and then you wipe that flame like fire to burn all the way on the surface of your energy body, all the way down. So you're like coated with that flame-like energy. Okay, and then back here. Okay, like that. That way you're wiping down all the bad stuff on the surface of your energy body. Okay, there you go. Now, what if I forgot the spell? It's so hard. Okay, if you forgot the spell, remember this. It is better for newbies to recite the spell like that, like actually word by word, because they don't know that spell well. Okay, you have not cultivated it. But in case of emergency, you can always just think of the spell. You know, kind of like thinking of my car, thinking of my house. It's just like a recall of the memory. You can just recall the spell, like body purifying, like that, and there you go. The actual visualization needs to be there, okay? Here's one more secret. When you go like that, okay, and then like this, you're still closing your eyes, okay? When you stomp, you open your eyes to look outside like this. Open your eyes, okay? And then regroup like that. Okay, so there we go. Now, if you are really feeling some problems before you do this, it's not like, oh, I just got home from work, I'm not feeling anything, but I'm just doing a cleansing, right? If you already feel there's something wrong, now add this to the end. So after you go like this, right? And then here, breathe in, okay? Close your eyes, breathe in. And then stomp, lift up the heel of your right foot. And then stomp your right foot as you open the eyes and you go, ha! Okay? Ha! Like that. Okay? Your finger go from here to like a palm. Ha! Okay? That way you're like expanding and combusting everything 360. So instead of just the flame wiping down, you're ha! Like that, and combusting the flame all around you. So that way, all the evil things, the bad stuff, is being busted and not just wiped down. Okay? So if you're feeling a threat, you add this for more power. Okay? After you go, ha, you can regroup again. Okay? So there we go. Body cleansing magic. It should be done every day. Okay? Remember, every day. And it is best to recite the spell word by word first, because you don't know it. As you go, if there's any emergent situation, you can always flash the spell by just thinking of the spell and then go ahead and do everything. Okay? Okay, so if you want to know more or learn more Taoist magic, go to our website, teeny@dragon.com, and you can get ordained or initiated. Then you can start learning and doing all this cool stuff to upkeep your spiritual hygiene. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.